An owner of a data source has the option to share permissions to other users if needed within Land.db. A user must be the owner of the database or have administrator permissions in order to grant permissions to other users. Also, as each new crop year is created by the owner of the database, permissions must be updated for other current users in order to access the new crop year. To begin, navigate to www.land.db.com and log in to the user account. Next, click on the 4 white bars in the top right corner of the page. Choose Manage Data Access. Once this page loads, the tab Data Sources will be the first to show. A box that says Select a Data Source will appear, and by clicking the button, the user can choose which data source permissions need to be granted for. Once it finishes loading, click the drop-down menu again and choose Add Permission. Next, a box will appear that says Grant Permission. Enter the name and email for the user. The email must match the email that Land.db notifications are sent to. Next, select which crop years the user needs access to, as well as what control needs to be given. There are 3 options: full, partial, and administrator. Administrator access is like full control, however, they can grant and edit permissions for other users as well. Full control gives the user access to all data and can enter all records. Partial control gives users only access to the website and can only see the records that are created by them. Once finished, click the Grant Permission button. From here, the user will receive an email that permissions have been granted to a database for them. The user needs to log into www.land.db.com on their own computer and log into their account. Next, click on the 4 white bars in the top right corner of the page and choose Manage Data Access. Once this page loads, select the Permissions tab, then choose Pending Permissions. A permission should populate for the user, and in the drop-down box to the right, select Accept. This will accept the permission and start syncing the database for the user. If permissions were granted by mistake or need to be removed, there is an option to do so. Navigate to the 4 white bars in the top right corner of the page and choose Manage Data Access. Once this page loads, the tab Data Sources will be the first to show. Choose the data source from the drop-down menu and wait for it to load. Next, click on Active Permissions, and out to the right of each permission, a drop-down option is available to delete a permission. If a pending permission needs to be removed, click Pending Permissions and choose Delete in the drop-down box.